Hi friends. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to be planting some trees today. And I know I look crazy, but it's totally going to be worth it. I'll explain.
Friends, so it's been about 2 weeks since I planted the butternut squash. That fire's still going. It's just smoldering now, so it's not as bad, but you can still kind of smell it. It's just not that like intense smoke smell that we had in the area, and like burning chemical smell that we had in the area. So thankfully that's gone, but they're still trying to get a handle on it. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't wait. I had to get the butternuts in and the sunflowers in. So let me give you guys a peek. And that's how they're doing. Now we're getting a little bit of a cold front today, so it's like dark and misty out and gloomy, but they're doing really well. They're putting on really good leaves. I still have to pick some weeds. Those are sunflowers, and they're okay. I have high hopes. See, they're getting a little burnt from the cold, but we'll see how they do. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I am gonna go inside because it's starting to mist right now, and I will keep you guys updated on how these butternuts are doing. Hopefully the cold weather and the mist won't do too much. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. My name is Arlene. I live in South Florida near the city of Miami and in an urban setting, and I you know, I do what I can with the space that I've got, and I'm learning every single day on how to be way more self-sustainable and way more self-reliant. Thank you guys for checking in. I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.